Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman, and this is We Tried It. Today, I'm going to talk about the Accubrush paint edger. If you happen to have a painting project, typically you'd cut in around the trim and the ceiling. You could do it freehand with a brush, or you could tape off the trim and the ceiling with painter's tape and then cut in, or you can use the Accubrush MX paint edger. What is an Accubrush paint edger? Well, it's a roller and a paintbrush in one. You load up the roller with paint and it's followed by the perfect line cut in. Some of the features of this tool is got this movable shield that's easily cleanable, has this removable paintbrush that you can swap in and out, as well as a quick release roller. It's very lightweight and has an easy grip handle. To test the Accubrush MX paint edger, we mocked up a test wall with a 4x8 sheet of drywall. We rolled on a coat of primer and added some baseboard and window trim to put the Accubrush to work. We also tested it on a piece of acrylic glass with trim attached to it just to see how the tool works from the backside. And finally, we went into the Family Handyman home lab and did some cutting in on the wall and ceiling to test how accurate the paint edger is. A few pros I liked about this product: keeps the paint from getting on your trim and ceiling. It's pretty easy to use, helps speed up your painting project. A few cons: leaves lines in the paint from the wheels, so you have to smooth it out after, and it doesn't cut into corners. There it is, that's the Accubrush MX paint edger, an affordable tool for the weekend DIYer. You can get this directly from Accubrush or find it on Amazon.com. For more tools that we tried, visit us at familyhandyman.com.